If you do not properly maintain your pellet stove, you may experience the following. Lower efficiency. If the stove is not cleaned, it will burn dirty, accumulating carbon and/or fly ash, which will not allow the stove to achieve your desired heat output. Chimney fire. Lack of cleaning could cause a chimney fire because the air-to-fuel mixture can become improperly balanced due to creosote buildup. Staining on exterior walls. With a clean stove, you essentially cannot see the emissions coming out of the vent. When the stove is not cleaned, repetitive smoke from the chimney can stain the exterior walls. The unit shuts down. Your stove will automatically shut down if it senses incomplete combustion. You can easily tell this if the status light on the control is repeatedly blinking 6 blinks. Not maintaining a set temperature. If your stove does not maintain your set temperature, it most likely needs to be cleaned. Lazy yellow flame. If you experience a weak or lazy yellow flame, or excessive black carbon buildup above the fire, your combustion blower or burn pot holes may need to be thoroughly cleaned.